In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build AI agents with Grok for free. We'll combine Grok, which can generate working code from a clear prompt, with Replit, a browser-based coding environment, to get a simple agent running in just a few minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Grok and open the official Grok website. Once you're in, you'll use Grok to draft the entire web app for your agent. In the message box, enter a precise prompt. For example, act as a senior full-stack web developer. Create a complete HTML file, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in one file, for a simple AI agent web app. This framing tells Grok to produce a single self-contained file so you don't have to manage multiple assets. When you're ready, click Submit and give it a moment to generate the output. When the result appears, scroll to the code block and copy everything. If Grok splits the code into separate parts, ask it to consolidate CSS and JavaScript in line so the app is easier to run anywhere. Clear prompts and single-file outputs reduce setup issues later. Next, go to the Replit website in a new tab. Replit lets you create and run projects right in the browser. Create a new project and open the editor, then paste the code you copied from Grok into the main file. In Replit's AI or command input, type a short instruction like, "Build this app." This prompts Replit to set up what's needed and start the project for you. Click Submit and let it do its thing. You'll see it process the code, install any packages if required, and launch a preview. Once the preview loads, your AI agent interface should be visible. At this point, Replit has effectively built and hosted your agent for you. Try interacting with it in the preview panel. Type a message and confirm that it responds. If anything looks off, switch back to the editor to make small tweaks, or return to Grok with a refined prompt to regenerate cleaner code, then paste the updated version back into Replit. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Rename your project to stay organized, and use the preview URL to share it. Watch the console for errors. Common issues include missing script tags or blocked network calls. Fix them in the editor and click Run again. For this starter app, keeping everything in one file is fine. That's the flow. Use Grok to generate a complete single-file agent app, copy the output, and let Replit build and run it so you can chat with your agent right away. Enjoy experimenting with your new AI agent.